Jake said he likes me and he wants to go out on a date with me, and he kissed me on my cheek. Oh my gosh, what time? 7? It's 7 right now. I have to go tell my sis the good news. Sis, Jake! What? Jake said he was going to go out with me. Jake? How many girls are you cheating on? Just you. Sis, no. He promised he was going to. Hey, Jakey, what are you doing with that girl? He's cheating on me. No. He is mine. This is not Jake's. This is his older brother. No. Yeah, it is. Then where's Jake? Where's Jake then? He's out with another girl. What time? Right now. He's at the roller skate. Oops, sorry. What? Oh, well, you're cheating on me then? Where is he? He probably left. Hey, I heard. What happened? I'm here. Jake was going to cheat on me. I'm going to get him. He's not at the roller skating park. He's not at the skate park. Yeah, because after that for 10 minutes, he went up north. Now I have to go all the way up north with my skateboard. He's not there. Oh, come on. You were just outside for 10 seconds. Yeah, hi. I went all the way over there, looked all around the whole entire state, and then he's not there. Okay, then, hold on. He went out with Brittany. Who's Brittany? Is she the blonde chick? Yeah. Hold on. Come on, Jake. This is actually Jake. Wait, Jake does not have a brother. Jake, you don't have a brother. I'm Jake. Stop, sister. You are in 7th grade, and he's in 8th. Just because he's in my class. Just because he's in my class. Grades. He's in my grades. No, he's not. No, I mean, he's in 8th. He's in my periods. Just because he's in your period, that's what all middle schoolers do. They all go school. They what? They all go to the same periods. And I'm in what's it called again? Not high school, but I'm in college already. Gee, but I'm older than you. Oh yeah, I want to see how someone cheats on you. See how much you hurt? I don't have a bit. You're like, I'm gonna tell Mom. I'm gonna tell Mom. And then you go tell Mom. Mom, Brittany's dating other boys. She can't do that. Come on, where is she? In her room. Ah. Hun, you cannot date other boys. You were the worst mother of my life. You were so bad. You made us go to, what's it called again? Military? Foster care. And we were only just born. You were so mean to us. Now leave us alone. Go away, sister. Oh! Go away, Mom.
If I didn't exist, you guys would be not even alive.
What do you think about blam apples?
Jake, I will kill you.
No, he won't, because he's spending the night with me.
Jake, who's your ex-girlfriend? Instead of me?
You're the only one I cheated on.
Oh, Stephanie's the blonde chick?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Don't.
Hey, Stephanie. What did you want me over here? What?
That's my other sister, too. But you can kill her. She's annoying.
You guys are about to see some real stuff.
Ew, that's my mom. You're kissing my mom.
I'm a cat. You're a kangaroo. And I'm not.
You adopted me.
No, I didn't.
Yes.
I'll be the dad if you want. Okay.
Oh my God. Let's go.
I'll see you tonight, babe. Okay. Thanks for dressing up. Okay.
Don't. Christopher?
Who's that?
Christopher?
What? Can you show me where the bathroom is?
It's right down there. Go in.
Come with me.
No.
Come with me.
Why?
Just come.
Just tell me everybody's asleep.
Just come.
What are you gonna do, Squish?
Just come.
Oh, Squishy.
Just come.
No.
Just.
I've already had it. Okay, we get it.